So myself Sujit Bhomik. So today I am going to discuss one beautiful problem that is based on integration and also quadratic equation format, and that is important for a JEE main student. Okay, so now come to the solution first. At first I have copied the sum. Now so I'll start the problem. So at first we'll do we'll take a common x to the power n from 1 plus x to the power n to the power 1 by n. So now after taking common, so this become this to the power 1 by n. Okay, and that is equal to alpha into 1 plus 1 by x cube to the power beta. Okay, so now here, so n and n will be cancelled out, so it becomes like this. See, x to the power n into x, so it becomes x to the power n plus 1. Okay, and here it is 1 plus 1 by x to the power n to the power 1 by n. Okay, that is equal to alpha into 1 plus 1 by x cube to the power beta plus c. Okay, so now I'll rub this portion. Okay, so now, so here we'll take this one u. So 1 plus 1 by x to the power n equal u. So let it put. Now, so we'll do the differentiation with respect to x to the both side. Then it will come. So here it will be x to the power n equal 1 plus x to the power n equal u. So now we'll start the differentiation to the both side with respect to x. So it becomes 0. Now minus n will come at first. Then it will be x to the power minus n minus 1 dx equal du. Okay, now minus n into 1 by x to the power n plus 1 dx equal du. Okay, now so I'll take minus n to the right hand side. So now it become x to the power n plus 1 dx 1 minus 1 by n du. So actually now we got that portion. We got this portion. Okay, instead of this, so we can substitute this value. Okay, so now we'll substitute this value over here. So now it become minus 1 by n integration sign. So du by, it is u, so u to the power 1 by n equal alpha into 1 plus 1 by x to the power 3 to the power beta plus c. Okay, now so minus 1 by n, so we'll take u to the power 1 by n to the numerator. Then it become u to the power minus 1 by n du alpha 1 plus alpha into 1 plus x to the power n to the power beta plus c. Okay, so now so we'll do the integration of this. So for that we have to use the form of integration x to the power n dx. So it will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so now minus 1 by n into u to the power minus 1 by n plus 1 by minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so that will be equal to plus c that will be equal to alpha into 1 plus 1 by x cube to the power beta plus c. Okay, so minus 1 by n into u to the power n minus 1 by n by n minus 1 by n.
Stop.